How to change Amazfit watch time. To change the time on the Amazfit watch, you need to follow these steps. Make sure your Amazfit watch is paired with your smartphone via the Zep app. You can download the Zep app, formerly Amazfit, from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and follow the instructions to pair your watch with your phone. On your smartphone, go to the Settings app and find the Date and Time option. You may need to search for it or look under General Management or System Settings depending on your phone model. Turn off the option that says Set Automatically or use Network Provider Time. This will allow you to manually adjust the time on your phone. Set the time to what you want it to be on your watch. You can also change the date and time zone if needed. On your watch, go to Settings, Watch Face and Time Format and make sure it is set to Follow Phone. This will sync the time on your watch with the time on your phone. That's how you can change the time on the Amazfit watch. Learn more, how to set time format, FAQ Amazfit. Support. https://support.amazfit.com/n/FAQ/6384